Hi, my dear students. This is Dr. Syed from DBS Institute of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about entrepreneurship, marketing control, unit number 3. Marketing control. What is marketing control? Marketing, organization and control. Marketing and organizing the marketing and controlling the marketing. So, evaluation of marketing department, organizing the marketing department, marketing implementations, control of marketing performance, annual plan control, profitability control, efficiency control, and strategic control. So there are so many things are involved in the marketing control. It's not only one element. One is evaluation of marketing department. You have to set up a marketing department, how you are going to do the market and what is the area of your market. You'll have to set up it. Then organizing the marketing department. How you are going to organize this complete area, whether it may be one state or two state or multiple state or throughout India or international market. Then marketing implementation. How you are going to implement. You have chosen so many areas that you are going to market in those areas. How you are going to implement it? What is the method of implementation? How your products will reach to those places? This is marketing implementation. Control of marketing performance. Yes, you have started the marketing. Then it's needed that you will have to control the market performance. So market performance is that you should able to control the marketing business and so that their business will go on improving. So we have some estimation that every month we will have to sell this much of product that you should be able to sell it. That is a performance. Then annual plan control. So you will have to plan for a year how much material, how many products that you are going to sell in the market. Profitability control. Then we'll have to control the profits, efficiency control, strategic control. So all these things comes under marketing control. Then a set of practices and procedures employed by firm to monitor and regulate their marketing activities in achieving their marketing objectives that are called marketing control. So set of practices and procedures which already we have discussed. Set of practices and procedures employed by the firm to monitor and regulate their marketing activities. To monitor and regulate their marketing activities in achieving their marketing objectives. Your objective will be there. Yearly we will have to sell this much of products. It was called marketing control. Marketing control is the process of monitoring the proposed plan as they proceed and adjusting where necessary. Marketing control, it's the process of monitoring the proposed plan. You had a plan, you made a plan how to market. So, process of monitoring the proposed plan as they proceed and adjusting where necessary. So, as per your plan, you will have to monitor and control the market. The final definition is marketing control is the process of taking steps to bring actually results and desired results closer together. This is said by Philip Kotler. Marketing control is the process of taking steps to bring actual results and desired results. Results and what results? Desired results closer together. This has been defined by Phillips Kotler. Next, see marketing control definition. It says it is concerned with analyzing the performance of marketing decisions. It is concerned with the analyzing the performance of marketing decisions, uncovering the performance problem of opportunities, and taking corrective actions to resolve the problems or to take advantage of the opportunities. This has been defined by Cravens. So what Cravens says? It is concerned with analysis of performance of marketing decisions. So you have taken a decision that you are going to do to perform the market as follows. So whether it is happening or not, whether you are performing or not, what the decisions which you have taken. Then uncovering the performance, uncovering the performance problems of opportunities. So you are opening the opportunities and taking corrective actions to resolve the problems. So you are taking the corrective actions and you are resolving the problems or to take advantage of the opportunities. This is another definition by Cravens. So now you can see here is the marketing process, how it goes on. First, number one is the setting the goals. You set your goals. What's your goal? You want to do marketing in one district, or you want to do marketing in one state, or you want to do marketing in multiple states, or you want to do marketing throughout India, or you want to market throughout the world, or some of the interstates, that is some of the other countries. So first set the goals. What you want to do it. Measure performance. After setting the goals, you start the market. After starting the market, every week you will be able to know how much of market you are doing. Every month, how much it is. So try to measure the performance what your people are doing. Then evaluate performance. So after measuring the performance, you evaluate the performance with your goals. Whether these performance are reaching to the goals or not. Then take corrective actions. Take corrective actions. So if it's something, it's not what you have expected is not going on, then you should take corrective actions so that you can achieve the set up goals. Place the organization in the right direction. Place the organization in the right direction. See, this is what we are talking about. Significance of marketing control. The significance of marketing control. Place the organization in the right decision. It helps the manager in tracing the deviation from the expected course. So if you place the organization in the right direction, then you may have the help, that is, to your manager in tracking the deviations from the expected course. Then identifies the responsibilities. You can identify the responsibilities of the people who are involved in this marketing. It helps to identify responsibilities of the executives, and we can strengthen, we can see the strengths of the people and we can see the weakness of the people. So we can find out who is good and who is bad who is doing a very good business and who is doing a weak business. Respond to the changes in environment, adjust with the environmental forces like pest. Respond to the changes in environment. So, environment may not be always as seen. It's going on, changing. But you'll have to respond as per the changes of the environment. Absorb organization complexity. Can observe the organization complexity, that is expanding in size and more complex in nature. Growth side created problems of coordination and control. So observe organization's complexity. So when you are seeing that your marketing plans are going on well, then you can observe organization complexity. Then that is, you can expand in size and more complex in nature, and you can growth size created problems or coordination and control. You can grow the size or and you can solve the created problems and coordinate and control them. Changes in formulation of plans. So I've already made some plans. So we are doing well, but still, a well developed and effectively operated marketing system is capable of introducing new changes. So, though you are having good plans, try to develop those plans so that you can work more effectively than you have planned. Then, scope, techniques of marketing control, annual plan control, annual sales, and the profit goals are achieved. So, you made an annual plan for marketing. So, we'll have to see whether you are doing it or not. So, annual sales and the profit goals are achieved. So, this is well and good. What you have planned, you have done it. So, your company is on the way. Profitability controls. So, you might have expected some profits that I should get this much of profits per year. Whether you are getting the profits or not. If there is any problem, try to solve the problem there. Then, efficiency controls. So, some of the people, some of your executives may be working very hard, and some of the people may not be working. People, those who are working, they are good in getting best results, and some of the people may not be able to get the good results. So, we'll have to control the efficiencies of your executives. Then, strategic control. Strategically, you'll have to control the scopes, techniques of marketing. Then, one annual plan control. What's an annual plan control? This is number one, sales analysis. See what you have done in a year, that is sales. We'll have to analyze the sales. Market share analysis. Market share analysis. Suppose, what is this market share analysis? You are selling one product, and the same product has been sold by another 5 or 6 companies. Then you will have to analyze that how much you are sharing in the total sales of the market. Because there are 5, 6 companies are there. What is your share? What is your percentage in the market? So that you can develop your sales. That's why you should analyze it. Marketing expense analysis. Marketing expense analysis. So this is most important, where many companies get failed in marketing expenses. So to do any job, you need to spend money. So a lot of expenses will be there for a company. Especially, we are talking about this marketing. In the marketing, a lot of money has been invested. One is production, that is somewhat, it says over. Now, marketing, you may have some agents, distributors, dealers, your representatives, and if you are doing very big business, you may have some divisional officers. So many things will be there. For all this, there will be employees. You will have to control these employees. You will have to pay the salaries to all these people. You will have to maintain all the rents and so many other expenses. So, and by advertisements, a lot of money is spent on the advertisements. So, we'll have to analyze the expenses. We'll have to try to control the expenses. Financial analysis. Totally, the problem goes to the finance. How much finance do you have? How much finance you have spent in the business? And still how much finance is balanced with you? So you have to analyze it. Don't spend complete 10% of finance on the business. Then you will be always in problems. Always you should have some backup. So customers' attitude tracking. Say doing in business, the one of the important factor is customer satisfaction. See what the customers are saying about your product. What the customers are saying about your product. Whether they are saying that your product is good, bad, or satisfactory, eh, you will have to know it. How you will know? You can know through your distributors, to your agents, to your representatives, or you can have some plan that a customer can directly give the report of the product to you. That is to your mail address. They can send you. So by this we can find out the attitude of the customers and we can find out what's the demand of your product. Annual plan control, sales analysis. Sales analysis. You should do the sales analysis, trace and understand sales pattern over a period of time and compare with the target pattern. Sales, that is total sales, sales by areas, and sales by customers, products, so many things are there. How you are selling to so many people. You'll have to analyze the sales. And by the way, totally each district, what's your sales? Each state, what's your sales? Like that, you'll have to analyze. Market share analysis, competitors evaluation. So we already discussed about it. What is the share of your market when there are 5 or 6 competitors? We'll have to evaluate it. Marketing expense analysis, sales for expenses, sales promotion expenses, sales promotion expenses, market research expenses, sales administration expenses. Here we can use control charts. So the marketing expenses, sales for expenses, sales promotion expenses, market research expenses, sales administration expenses. You can use control charts. Just by looking the control charts, we can able to understand which sales are very higher, which sales are very lower, which sales are normal, like this. Financial analysis. Financial analysis, this is a ratio analysis is very useful here. So ratio analysis is very useful here. Profitability and turnover ratios are very famous. We'll have to analyze it. So what's the profitability you are getting and what's the turnover you are doing it. This is your financial analysis can be found out from this. Customer attitude tracking. So again, we are talking about a customer. It's a qualitative term, identification of customers. See, customers they talk about the quality and the cost. They will say, it's a very good cost, but it's a little costly, they say like that. Customer says it's having a very good quality, but it's a reasonable cost. So these terms are different terms that where the customer he will tell as per his experience. So dealers and other employees, one is complaint suggestion system. You should format a complaint suggestion system by the customers. Customers can complain to you and they can suggest you about the product. Customer panel. You can have a customer panel. Customer surveys. You can have customer surveys. Give the survey to the customers and customer they complete the service. Finally, you are going to get the results by the customers. Profitability control. Profitability control and efficiency control allow a company to closely monitor its sales, profits, and expenditure. Profitability control and efficiency control allows a company to closely monitor its sales. So, you'll have to monitor the sales very closely so that you should be able to know what's the profitability and what's the efficiency you are spending over it. So, by this, we can monitor your sales controls, your profit controls, and expenditures. Profitability control demonstrates the relative profit earning capacity of a company, different products, and consumer groups. Profitability control demonstrates the relative profit earning capacity of a company's different products and consumer group. So profitability control demonstrates the relative profit earnings capacity of company, different products and consumer groups. This control is to determine the actual profitability of the firm products, territories, market, segments, and intermediaries. So, what it will do? It will control to determine the actual profitability of the firm's product and how much the territories they are getting and how much the market segment they are absorbing these profits and intermediaries between like this representatives, agents and so many other people will be there. Number 3, efficiency control. Efficiency controls involve micro-level analysis of the various elements of the marketing mix. Efficiency control involves micro-level analysis of the various elements of the marketing mix, including sales force, advertising, sales promotion, and distribution. So, efficiency control involves all this. That is also the micro-level analysis. For example, to understand its sales force efficiency, a company may keep track of how many sales calls a representative makes each a day. So this is one of the example we can understand by this. A company can keep a track of his sales representative, that how many sales calls he is making each day, how long each call lasts when he is talking with the customers, how long the call is, and how much each call costs and generates in revenue, and how much each call costs. So that you'll have to consider the cost of the call, and whether this call have generated a revenue or not. Revenue means it generated a sales or not. This type of analysis highlights areas in which companies can manage their marketing efforts in a more productive and cost-effective manner. This type of analysis highlights areas in which companies can manage their marketing efforts in a more productive and cost-effective manner. Then number 4, strategic control. It is in-depth study undertaken to examine whether the company is pursuing its best opportunities with respect to market and product. It is in-depth study undertaken to examine whether the company is pursuing its best opportunities with respect to market and products. Marketing department having policies, objectives, strategies, and programs are to be reviewed and changed periodically. Marketing department having policies, objectives, strategies, and programs, they are to be reviewed and they should be changed periodically. Marketing effectiveness rating review. How we are going to review the marketing effectiveness? Marketing, that is marketing orientation, customer philosophy, integrating marketing organization, adequate marketing information, strategic orientation. So, how many things are there? Marketing orientation, customer philosophy, integrating marketing organization, adequate marketing information, and strategic orientation. All this comes and make marketing effectiveness rating more. So, what's a strategic control? Marketing audit. Strategic control might have some specific things like auditing. Market audit is an in-depth analysis of the marketing function. You would have seen so many auditors doing the audits in different departments. But in marketing also there is audit is there, where marketing audit is an in-depth analysis of the marketing functions. Marketing audit is a comprehensive system, independent and periodic examination of company's marketing environment. One is company's marketing environment, then company's objectives, then company's strategies, and company's activities with a view to determine the problems area and opportunities and recommendations. So many things are here. In marketing audit, they will see all these things. See, marketing, for doing the marketing, they will set some marketing environments, some objectives, some strategies, and as per that they will do some activities and they will determine the problems area and opportunities and recommendations. Each and everything have some for each and everything some rules has been laid down there. The auditor will check up that this company is following these rules and regulations or not. Then components of marketing audits. What are the different components of marketing audit? One is marketing environment audit, marketing strategy audit. What is the strategy of your marketing? How you are going to, how you have decided that you will have to do the marketing. So that they will check up. Marketing organization audit. So an organization of marketing will be there. And they will also have some rules and regulation how they should follow it. That also they will check up in the audits. The marketing system audit. Marketing system audit, then productivity audit, then functional audit. So for each and every piece of area, some rules, regulations will be there, whether they are following it or not. That this audit way person will check up. So this is the end of the topic. I hope you would have understood well. This is because this is regarding marketing. Most of the people have some knowledge about the marketing. So hope you might have understood well. If not, you can contact me. If you have any doubts, please contact me. I can explain you well. So this is the end of your session. Now I am closing down this topic. We will meet you again tomorrow. Thanking you very much.